My initial aspiration was to, I think I remember what I said in the interview was I wanted to meet the community or my neighbours. I've certainly done that, or at least met a cross-section of new people who live in the community, so definitely delivered on that account. The other thing I wanted was to try and understand what, this whole thing about the legacy meant in terms of, the Olympics coming. How do we inspire people to actually lead a more healthier, active lifestyle, and what are the benefits of that? And I think the programme in general, just reflecting on it, has meant that we've really had a chance to figure out what that is, or what we can do ourselves, which is, I think, the more important thing. The answers aren't going to come from people at Southwark telling us what to do necessarily. We have to figure it out for ourselves. And I think the programme has given us a whole load of opportunities where they've showed us ways in which it could be done, and it's now up to us to sort of take on the initiative and join those community groups and show them through our examples how you can lead a more healthier life, basically. I think personally, some of the activities we've done, not only taking on new challenges through the activity themselves, but having the chance to see the sailing project, for example, where you meet people who are actively volunteering every day, has been amazing and a real eye-opener for myself, because health and well-being is about balance in lifestyle as well, and that's something that I've been looking for as well. And the chance to actually meet some volunteers doing it day in, day out, talk to them, see what it means to them, and to see the impact it means to other people has been hugely rewarding, actually. And that's certainly something that I'm going to take away from that and look to get actively involved in. I think it's affected me. I think it's certainly enriched my life, not in a grandiose way, but on an everyday level. I've been able to sort of reach out, talk to a lot more interesting, diverse characters, and it's inspiring to see some of the other people's stories as well. Sandra, for example, whilst some of the challenges and the activities we've been doing are hugely physical, sailing, cycling around Herne Hill, for example, she's been there every step of the way, and she's been an active member of the group. It just goes to show that you don't necessarily have to take part full on 100% in the activity. But her support, I've really felt her as a member of the group, which has been, I think, absolutely fantastic and a real kind of inspiration, actually. I've thought long and hard about what it means, actually, what the aim of the programme is and how I can take forward what we've learnt. I think the best way to take forward what we've learned and take it out into the community is to join some of the established groups already. So, for example, some of the residents' associations, some of the volunteer community groups that are already established. I think I need to just take part, sign up to them, get involved, share my story, share my experiences, and then hopefully share my knowledge as well. So I think it's about me stepping out into those other forms of established networks that are already out there, and then sort of selling my story that way. And I think that will hopefully touch a note with a lot of similar type of people, and through the power of social media, we shall be able to sort of spread the message, I think.